Hey guys, it's Johnny with RV SWAT, and today I'm going to show you another item that I picked up at the big tent show on Quartzsite. This one solves a common problem with RVs, so stick around, I'll show you what it is. Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you, one of the dirty jobs with RVing is emptying your tanks. And a common problem that I've seen, even if you have the slinky like this, a lot of times the terrain that you're working on is either unlevel ground or it's very wavy. And a lot of times when you drain the hose will just hold a lot of water. So then what you have to do is you're picking up the hose and you're bending over and in fact, see, this one's got, so you're bending over and you're holding the hose up to drain it. Or if you don't have this slinky, let's just say you're one and you just have the hose laying on the ground. All right, let's say this is your setup, and then there's a neighbor's dog you come and visit. Let's say this is your setup. You drain the hose, then you come out here, you bend down, you bend over, you grab, and then you run all the water out. And then when you put it back down, more water comes in, and you sit here and you end up running this back and forth until all the water's gone. Well, I ran into a guy at the tent show, and he has a product called Easy Draining Tool. So I'll show you the logo right here. This is Easy Draining Tool. You can go over to their website at easydraining.com, I think it is. I'll put the website right here, and I'll also put it in the description of the video. And I'll put an Amazon link in the description of the video. Let me show you this tool. Ta-da! Looks simple design, so this is it. Easy draining. Right, easy draining hose draining tool. Simple, but absolutely genius. So let's say you dump your tank, the water is sitting in your hose and you need to get it out. Don't bend it over, just grab your hose right here and just walk it down. All right, pick it up, drain all your water. You can run it all the way down. If your hose is still full of water after you do it once, just grab it, walk it down. So much easier than bending over, hurting your back. And I know a lot of us out here have the problem bending over, bad knees, bad back, whatever the situation is. This is going to save a lot of headache. Super easy. One more time. Grab it, roll it on down. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love this design of this little thing. So in fact, it's so easy, to be honest with you. I may stop putting out the little slinky thing. Sometimes this thing is a hassle. Oh, there goes the dogs again. Sometimes this thing is a hassle to put out and get it straight. But as easy as this is, and not having to bend over, I may not use the slinky. I may just throw my hose on the ground and just use this every time I need to dump. Super easy. All right. So again, I'm going to put a link to this, an Amazon link. I think it's regular $43. It's on sale right now for $34 on Amazon. And I just checked, and I think it says there's only 17 left in stock. So when it's out of stock, I don't know how long it takes to restock, but I would grab it while I can. I'm also going to be in touch with the guy that created this, and I'm going to have him monitoring the comments of this video. So if you have any questions or concerns or anything, put them in the comments, and maybe we can get the owner or creator of this device to answer them for us. So again, guys, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell if you want notifications. Just wanted to give you a quick video of a super tool that I found, and I think you're going to enjoy it. We'll see you guys in the next video.